welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, toddlers? Let's start the video. The first animal is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. C is for cow. A cow is a farm animal and it provides us milk. This is a cow. A cow. The next one is
Old MacDonald had a farm.
this is a rhino. R is for rhino. Rhino starts with letter R and it is a safari animal. This is a rhino. This is a rhino. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a sheep. A sheep is a farm animal. This is a sheep. This is a leopard. L is for leopard. This is a leopard. This is a leopard. L is for leopard. This is an elephant. This is elephant. E is for elephant. This is elephant. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. R is for rabbit.